Eugene, eh? Magkakapalang alaga.
Sa'yo na.
Okay. Ready?
Sir Mark may passport pa. Last one now, Sir 5:30 p.m. now. Later in Kailanayan, may practice pa on presentation. Nabinigay si boss in 5K. Sa sundin ka nalay namin.
Hey, 快拿，这牛奶你 KO 好。
What's up, madlang people? Welcome to Miss Wong Balintay. We are the Team Hungry Bears. Nanatong na namin lahat ng aking kayo para makadagdag kinain pati yung pagod sa buong taon at sumunod na sa stretching. Lista na po. Okay. Makadali lang ang stretching. Okay. Hands on your waist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then stretch your arms. Turn up. Stretch forward. Stretch up. Okay. Let's go to our first step. Step to the right. Your left. Stretch your knees.
Sasayaw ba kayo?
Stretch nyo na tayo. Para makasagin tayo.
Tagal eh.
And stretch your head.
Paano na yung storage?
Stretch to your right.
Oo, ng tao.
Stretch your knees. Stretch your shoulders. And then stretch your head. Okay? Siyempre, mas tayo po ito. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.